and today we're going to be looking at Cole's Little Shop. Let's open our mini shop figures. I see a few bulky ones in there, so I'm excited. So, let's pick you. Okay. Vegemite! Here's the Vegemite. Nothing like true Aussie Vegemite. Just pop it down here. We got kiwi! Coincidentally, I don't have any of these. Okay, next one. Okay. Looks like we got chicken noodles. Honestly, I love chicken noodles. It even got like the little flap. Fail. Okay, we got cold power, which is basically a dishwashing detergent. We got Weet-Bix. So Weet-Bix is like a breakfast cereal because but even though it's like sometimes it can be used as a bar. We got Nutella. There's nothing like Nutella because Nutella's like good on everything. Except for one thing, good with avocados. Who dares put Nutella with avocado? Here you go. And I think we've got a few more. Here we are. What? That's empty. Let's keep track. Ooh, this one we've got something. It's gonna be a good one. Oh, look, we got potato jams. So yeah, here. Do you want some? Well, first you gotta bake them. Ooh, we have one here. We got messy monkeys because messy monkeys are messy. So here you go. Messy monkeys is like a breakfast cereal. So yeah, this is burger flavor. Ooh, okay. We've got our last bag. Okay. And yogurt! I personally like this flavor. I like strawberry Greek yogurt. Sometimes I don't like the other flavors like honey because the Greek yogurt's got a sour taste to it. Hold up, we're supposed to be talking about Little Shop, not yogurt. Let's get back on track. Okay, so after opening this mini plastic bags, we have the full set. Well, we have a few extras, so we traded them in. And now we've got the full set. So here are all of them, all 30, in all their food and cleaning and other things glory. Now let us put them into my wonderful case and look at the full. So guys, my whole case is full. We've got tuna, bananas, daily juice. There's messy monkeys, dog food, toothpaste, sunbites, Weet-Bix. So today we're also going to be looking and comparing the actual size of the product versus the mini size. So let's get straight into the video. Let's go. So guys, look at the difference. Here is the mini Tim Tam. Doesn't it look cute? And here is the big one. So you can see this mini Tim Tam can fit in my palm, but the big one is way too big. So it's like really big. It's the mama, and this is the little baby. Okay, so here is the next comparison. Now this one you can see is much of like a difference. So here's the tiny whiny little Milo carton. So cute. It's even got like details like at the back. It's got like you gotta be made of Milo. And the big one it says the exact same thing. To be honest, that's pretty good detailing for a tiny piece of plastic. Okay, so here's the next one. So here we, this is a glass, so you gotta be careful. Here we have Nescafe Gold, and we have Nescafe Gold 2. But this one's intense and this one's original. But it still looks the same. So this one also I can fit into the palm of my hand, and it's so cute. This one, I'm gonna be careful when I do this. It's harder to fit in the palm of my hand when it's like the size of an iPhone. But like, you see, it's a bit empty because like you can't see. But here, it's a bit empty because you know how much parents like to drink coffee. It's like every day you wake up and coffee, coffee. So yeah, on to the next one. So this is the next one. So this one, it's not actually like, it's supposed to be 300 milliliters, but instead it's 90 milliliters. So just imagine it like this tall, and yeah, you can see the difference. So again, this like, it's very similar. Like even the detailing, like this one detailing is like so good. You can see it, guys, but it's like, it's so good. Even like the front, there's even like the actual gold bit. They didn't just like paint it on. It's actually like a sticker. So you could take it off. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and like if you can. Don't forget to hit that little button after you subscribe. Yep, that little bell. So like right over there or right over there. And make sure you keep notified for new videos just like this. And I will, see you guys in my next video.